So yeah guys, as you can uh, see, it's around like 29th of August, and in 2 days there is Ganesh festival. So we're starting the decorations today. So I'm going to show you the decoration part, and for starters, this is what we're going to do. So we have this, stand to which we'll decorate, and we have all these decorations here. Some are in the, the puja room. So we'll start off decorating the stand for the Ganesh first. So this is the first stage, guys. I've put this yellow cloth on the mandap we had, and I'll decorate this first. And I've got a couple of decorations from Walmart, and I'm gonna decorate this mandap first. So so you can see one of the borders which will face the when we do the puja has been decorated like this. These are just rhinestone, guys, like you get them in Walmart. They come with stickers, and these are the decorations. They're very DIY. So this is the first side, and I'll show you what I'm doing for the exact mandap. So yeah guys, the initial mandap on which Ganapati will sit is ready, but the mistake that I did was to leave these gaps here. So I would first recommend you guys to put this first, and then take as a connection. So I think that's the one thing I regret here, that it's not joined. So apart from that, the mandap is ready now, and yeah, the second thing is we'll do a dome here. I'll show you how we are thinking of doing it. So basically for this dome, guys, the one which goes in the background, I have these two cake cutters, cake board, and one is 14 inches and the other one is 8 inches. So I'm gonna use this as a reference and cut the board in the center, so that I get a loop kind of a board background. So yeah guys, as I showed you, this is the pillow that I did. It's a DIY project again. This is a bottle. So you cut the bottle, you wrap it around, and it looks like a pillow. So we're gonna have two pillows here, but I don't know if the Ganesh is gonna be fitting into the space. So we're probably gonna first keep the Ganesh and then see and attach the pillows, so we know the exact space in between. So this is the final product, guys, and I hope you like it. The only thing I'm really concerned is these two are not connected. So the next time you guys have to put this first, stick this first and then probably stick this. So yeah guys, Ganesh ji, the place where Ganesh sits is ready, and yeah, we're ready to celebrate the Ganesh festival day after tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is Gauri festival, and we have almost finished the decorations of the house, and the only thing we need to do right now is to get the Ganesh inside. And Archie looks pretty excited, and we are really excited for this year's festival. So this is our decoration, And this is how we have decorated the house currently. So I'm going to show you the view of it. So say hi to Chandru.
Hey.
And happy Gauri and Ganesh festival, guys. So this is our decoration. This is Archie. He seems pretty excited about what's happening because any event is happening. He's super excited. So Archie, here. So yeah, guys. Coming to the decorations. We had this for our Gruha Pravesh. So we use the same shimmering curtains, and here we have the DIY pots that I made. And now coming to the decoration part. This is the decoration, guys, and this is how it looks right now. I really loved the way it came out. And yeah, just we're waiting on Ganesh to bless his presence here. So that's the place where we're gonna keep the Ganesh. And yeah, guys, this is our setup right now, and we're really excited for the festival this year.